Update on the SMC Laguna. I put it in my kitchen. I think it looks pretty good in here. And yeah, still has the god-awful bearings, but had to get a medallion thing for it. But looks pretty good in here. Got one of those big round globes on it. Started off on high. Yeah, as you can hear, the bearings aren't any better. But it does throw some air pretty good down here. I got a tassel for it. Came with another fan I got. Here's a medium. Now, this is probably my favorite install in the whole house. I like this thing in here. I think it looks good with everything. Whoa. Got a little bit of a shake, but it's not too bad. And we'll shut her off. I found that big round globe at Goodwill and I thought it would look good on this. And it kind of does, actually. Turn the light back on. This fan gets a lot of use. I'll probably end up putting something with better bearings up in here eventually, but for now this is pretty much staying up. I don't plan on taking it down. I like it. But anyway, we've already seen this. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.